Let us start again. This problem was started in, we have started. The inputs given in this problem was dry bulb temperature, dry bulb temperature, humidity ratio, and the barometric pressure was given. We are supposed to calculate the partial pressure of water vapor and relative humidity and dew point temperature, specific enthalpy, and vapor density. Now, as these 3 points are given, dry bulb temperature, barometric pressure, and specific humidity ratio, so we can use them in this equation, but humidity ratio is given by this relation W is equal to 0.0226 dry bulb pressure, partial pressure of water vapor, dry bulb barometric pressure minus partial pressure of water vapor. Now, partial pressure of water vapor is not known to us, so but humidity ratio is known and barometric pressure is known. So we put the value of barometric pressure, and then if you calculate, you'll get the partial pressure of water is 19.06 millimeter of Hg or 25.40 millimeter or Newton per meter square. Newton per meter square, 2540.6 Newton per square meter square. Now, on the steam barrel, what is available? The saturation pressure at dry bulb temperature is given as PS equal to 0.03746. That dry bulb temperature is 28 degrees centigrade. So at 20 degrees centigrade, it will be around at 20 degrees centigrade, it will be around 0.0378, 0.00378 or MPa or 0.0378 8 bar. So here, 0.378 we have to, or 337 Newton, 78 Newton per meter square. So relative humidity as per relation between from standard gas equation is given as partial pressure of water vapor and partial pressure of superheated steam at partial pressure of vapor at dry bulb temperature. So the both this point is put together and you will get relative humidity is equal to 62.2%. You know, the by definition, the relative humidity is given as the ratio of actual mass of water vapor in a given volume of moist air to the actual of the mass of water vapor in the same volume of saturated air at the same temperature and pressure. So one is the value of mass pressure, mass of the water vapor present divided by the mass of the water vapor, better if that particular volume of air and water mix is fully saturated. So here we are using, in case of mass, we are using from the standard gas equation without the ratio PV and PS. That is, the PV is given as partial pressure of water vapor, PS is the total partial pressure of saturated stream. Partial pressure of saturation pressure at variable temperature. Next comes the dew point, finding of dew point. The dew point is the saturation temperature corresponding to the partial pressure of water vapor before the steam table, partial pressure of water vapor. So if this pressure is available, we have calculated here as 0.50. So corresponding to pressure 2540.6 Newton per milliliter square, the dew point would be that is 0.025406 bar. The dew point will be 21.1 degrees centigrade. 25 more or less here. That is 25046. 25046 more or less. It is in the. It is 21 degrees centigrade. 28 degrees centigrade. 21.1 degrees centigrade, the dew point temperature. Next, specific enthalpy, we have to use this equation. H is equal to 1.022 into dry bulb temperature multiplied by the humidity ratio into enthalpy of the latent heat of enthalpy at dew point, latent heat of enthalpy, fluid and gas, fluid as well as gas, F for fluid, T for gas, D for dew point, and temperature at dew point. So this is given, this is available from the chart from the 21 degrees centigrade. This is available 2451. That is here 21 2451. This is the enthalpy here. So this is 23.2451 plus 2.21.1, that is equal to 28.62 plus 40. That is 68.62 kilojoules per kg of dry air. Next, vapor density. We know the vapor density is given as rho g is equal to specific humidity ratio, which is given as 0.016. Humidity ratio as humidity ratio is 0.016 multiplied by PV minus PV over T into TB. The barometric pressure as well as partial pressure of vapor both are available, and specific ratio is given divided by. This is multiplied. It is converted to by 133 multiplied with 133.3. We converted it to Newton per meter square. RA, the gas constant, and TD driver temperature in case of for Kelvin scale, it is 278 plus 28. So putting all the points and making the calculation, we'll get the vapor density is 0.0183 kg per cubic meter of dry air. Next problem. We have a room 7 meter by 4 meter by 4 meter is occupied by a air water vapor mixture of air water vapor mixture at 30 degrees centigrade. The atmospheric pressure is 1 bar and relative humidity is 70%. Determine the humidity ratio, dew point, mass of dry air, mass of water vapor. If the mixture of water vapor is further cooled to a constant pressure until the temperature is 10 degrees centigrade, then find the amount of water vapor condensed. So what is the volume of this room? Given as 7 into 4 into 4, that is 112 cubic meter, and it is occupied air water vapor mixture at 38 degrees centigrade. We can say that this is the dry bulb temperature is given, that is 38 degrees centigrade, or in the Kelvin scale it is equal to 311 degree Kelvin, and barometric pressure is given as 1 bar, and phi, the relative humidity is equal to 0.7 or 70%. First of all, here the humidity ratio. Let us find the partial pressure of water vapor from steam table. We know the partial pressure of water vapor at dry vapor at dry bulb temperature. It is dry bulb temperature, dB, is given as 30 degrees centigrade 0.06624. That is 0.36 degrees centigrade, I think 38 degrees centigrade. That is 0.0662328. So here we got the partial pressure. Saturation pressure 30 degrees centigrade. The relative humidity is given. Then vapor pressure divided by PS. PV, the partial pressure of vapor will be 0.7 into PS, 0.7 into 0.068, and 0.046 bar. Now the humidity ratio will be W, partial pressure of vapor, partial pressure of barometric pressure. So here, if we put the respective values here, we will get the humidity ratio as 0.032 kg per kg of dry air, or 30.2 gram per kg of dry air. Then dew point temperature. This is the dew point temperature, saturation temperature corresponding to the partial pressure of water vapor from the steam table. That the pressure of that corresponding to partial pressure, it is equal to 0.46388. Then partial pressure of water vapor was we have calculated as 0.4638. 46386. The dew point will be 31.56. Let us see. 46386. 46, more or less in between these two, 31 point here and here. Here in between these two. So this will become 31.56. That is the dew point temperature. Then mass of dry air is the partial pressure of dry air, barometric pressure minus partial pressure. That is 1.046. Is given as so many bars. 0.96 or this Newton meter. And from the inverse of gas equation, PA into V, MA into RA into TD, then PA is available and MA, mass of the dry air is available is 112. PA is available, RA is given, TD is given, 112 volume of dry air, 112. Specific volume or only volume, that is the volume is available 0.243621. Vg is 54.53 volumetric cubic volume. And if you put in the value, mass is equal to 109.3 kg. Mass of water vapor is the mass of mv. The mass of humidity ratio is given as mass of vapor, mass of atmosphere, mv by 1.9, mass of air at A. So mv will be 0.66. Amount of water vapor condensed will be available from this way. If the temperature is 10 degrees, the air will be saturated before some water condensed out. Now, saturation pressure of water vapor 10 degrees will be given as from the level 0.01227. The humidity ratio is here. Saturation pressure Vv is given here. The parametric pressure is given as 1. So, the humidity ratio is given as 0.07 kg per kg dry air or 7.73 gram per kg of dry air. We know that pressure of dry air, PA, Pv minus PA is equal to 1 or 1 minus 0.012, 0.012. That is equal to 0.987 power. That is 98773 Newton per meter square. So mass of dry air, if we put in the gas equation, then PA is given. We put PA, vapor, the gas volume is given as 112 of the dry air, which is the equal to the volume of the, which is equal to the volume of the room. This is here volume of the room, and temperature is converted into Kelvin. RA is available, so this is equal to mass of that air 36.2. The mass of water vapor, the humidity ratio multiplied the mass of air, that is equal to 1.03 kg. So amount of air condensed 3.612 minus 3 is 2.557 kg. Okay, this is. Let us stop the working here.